Hey guys, let's talk about Axes3D and 3D projection today. Now, 2D plots are great, and in most cases they're all you need, but if you need a 3D plot, matplotlib has this functionality too. In this video, we'll be talking about the basics of 3D plotting in matplotlib. So just like we use the Axes object for 2D plots, we must use an Axes3D object for 3D plots. The Axes3D class is defined in the MPL Toolkits module. We have to import mplot3d. So we need this for 3D. Now we can create the Axes3D object by passing the figure instance to its constructor. So let's create an empty 3D axis by passing the figure to the constructor of the Axes3D class. But first we have to create the figure. So here we create the figure, and now let's pass it to the Axes3D constructor, like this. mplot3d, Axes3D, and we pass this figure. Now let's run this code, and what we get is this. Now we can also create an Axes3D object by calling the addSubplot method with the keyword argument projection set to 3D. So let's do the same by calling this addSubplot method here and set the keyword argument to 3D, like this. So we should get the same, and here it is. And also we can use the plt_subplots method with the subplot kw argument set to projection 3D. So let's recreate the empty axis by using the plt_subplots method here and set the subplot kw argument to projection 3D. And we should get one more time exactly the same. Right. So this was just an introduction to 3D. In the next video, we're going to talk about 3D points and lines. Hey guys, my name is Kamel and I'm a Python programmer, and today I would like to talk about my book, GUI Programming with Python and Kivy. Now in this book we're creating a project from scratch.
Oh, no.
Now here you can see some samples from the book. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this book, you will find the links to it down in the description below. So, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you will have at least as much fun reading my book as I had writing it. So, see you around. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.